Oh, he's getting it now.
Hey everyone, welcome to Heavy Metal Customs. We are a restoration and custom shop here in Bradyville, Tennessee. We have done some really cool cars, and we would be interested in doing yours. That's right, we are now accepting new work. We pretty much caught up with what we have going on and delivered them, and the customers come and got them and what have you. Everyone's happy, the jobs are done. But that leaves room for your next project. So come on inside, let me show you around a little bit and just give you an idea of what we do. In the shop where it's not a little bit cooler, yes, we do have central heat and air in this shop. But this is a 40 by 50, and we have on the side over there a 16 by 40 for our paint booth. 3 bays. We have 3 lifts. That way we want to get your vehicle in there, be able to get every angle of it. Pretty much any time of tools, equipment that we need. Yeah, I've been investing in a lot of these battery operated tools. They are just awesome, guys. They're well worth the money in my opinion. And really, no matter what you have or what you need, we can take care of it. Sitting right here, we're currently working on 1970 Cougar. This one will be a one-off, but it's going to be wicked. It's going to be really wicked. I've had to do some body work on this, still got a lot more to go. And that's another thing, you come into these odd cars and stuff, a lot of times you can't find patch panels on them. Well, to us, that's no big deal. Like I say, I've got equipment, you know, we can get anything made that you need. Custom make all our own patch panels and basically do the car from the ground up. Suspension, brakes, engine, transmission, all electrical. I mean, everything right down to the exhaust. You know, we have our own bender, and I've been bending exhaust for like 100 years, it seems like. So we even put your custom exhaust on. Just basically, guys, anything you need for your vehicle, and it doesn't matter. You just tell me what your budget is, and that's what we'll do. You want a super budget job, we got you covered. You want something show car quality, we got you covered. I mean, pretty much anything that you could need or want, we're happy to take care of for you, because we do have the room, and we do have the tools and equipment to do it. Let me give you a quick look at the paint booth. I'm running this big E-Max here. A big 80-gallon silent air compressor. Yeah, that thing's awesome. Here's the booth. I'm currently in the middle of doing a little work right now. But, I mean, pretty cool. Nice little setup. This is a 16 by 8 room in here. Plenty enough room. And I do my paint and clear with the Velvet Stevie 1. So it is laid down nice and smooth. I use good products. And don't have any issue with them. Here's the paint booth. Custom built and designed this myself, actually. I had friends come and help me build it. Here we have a 73 K10. I'm just fixing covered up with plastic to protect it. But this was a basic frame off. And this truck's turning out really pretty. About the only thing I like. I'm working on the tailgate. Some spots in there I didn't like. But this thing here has been cut and buffed. So all I like on it is just wiping it down with the final inspection, and the customer can come and get it. And that color, if you're wondering, is Brandywine Candy Pearl. In the sunlight, she is awesome. So, no matter what your budget, no matter what you need, just give us a holler. We're happy to work with you and get your vehicle done. Like I say, you can hit us up on Facebook if you'd like. You can drop me a message down there on YouTube if you would like. Just however you would like to do it. I'll have all the information below. You can hit us up on email or just call us, 615-765-5409. We're happy to discuss your project, get a plan, and get it in motion. Well, guys, I appreciate you watching. Hope to hear from a lot of y'all. If you would like to, throw down some comments. Besides that, I just hope that everybody has a fantastic day.